Hey, what's going on everyone, this is A.I Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 awesome apps which I think every iPhone user must have on their device or at least try them out in April 2024. And most of these apps will be very useful, so I hope you find some apps that you really like and find a use for them on your device. And we're starting with Hezel. Now this app allows you to back up the playlists that you have on Apple Music. It is pretty cool as you can restore your playlists anytime you want. So if by accident you delete a song from a playlist, you delete a playlist, or just a song from your library, you can use this app to actually recover them. So you can see right here, it will scan. Once you open the app, it scans your music and sees if you have deleted something from the last backup that you did. You can even enable an automatic backup. So right here you can see it says that I have deleted a song. So if I did that by accident, I can go ahead and recover that song. Now this will be of course much useful if you're doing it with playlists. So if you delete a playlist, you know that it's kind of hard work to actually recreate the playlist. What you can do is simply tap recover here. It will recover it and place it back on your music app. Next up is an app called A.I Generator. You will find a ton of these apps on the App Store, but this one is totally free. You know that when you install an app like this from the App Store, you will get a ton of ads or a ton of subscription options. This one is free. You will have your collection here, the things you have created. There's a feed here where you can find things that other people have created, and then right here you can just simply enter any text you want. So you enter the text. Of course you will have here different styles that you can choose. Tap on generate and it will generate an AI art free for you. It's totally free. As I said, no ads, no subscriptions. Really hard to find an app like this on the App Store that does some really cool things, and it's absolutely free. So once you have entered any description that you want, of course it will create right here the image for you. You can add it to your collection or you can even recreate it. The next app for the video is Math Solver. It allows us to take an image of a math problem and will use AI to actually just solve that problem for you. So I just took a picture right there on my Mac of this math problem. It shows you right here the solution. What's really cool is that you can also show the steps. So if you just want to see how that problem is solved, you will see the step-by-step guide right here, and of course the result at the end right there. So it's pretty cool. You can edit the problem right here if you want to. So when you take a picture, if you think it has entered a number or something accidentally or by mistake, you can go ahead and edit it here at any time you want. Next up is an app called Denim. Now this app will allow you to create covers for your playlists that you have on the Apple Music app. So we can tap right here and it will take us to our songs. Now I can choose here any of the playlists that I have. You can see this one that I have created right here with this app. It's pretty cool. So when you go into a playlist, it will show your classic cover right here. You can tap on it and tap next if you want to do that. But if you have, of course, a playlist that has multiple songs, you can just tap there and then tap on the next button and you can just go ahead and save this cover. Or what you can do here is choose any of the presets right here. So we'll have gradients, you will have the classic ones right here. Some are locked, some will be unlocked, of course. So you can choose any of these and just create an awesome cover for your music. And you can see right here what you can actually do is that if you have a playlist that has multiple songs, you can always tap here and it will show you your songs. So basically you can just pick any of the album arts from different songs that you have on that playlist. So here's number 1. I can choose the number 1 right there. And then we have 2, 3, and 4. We can just pick these covers and it will create an album cover for us. Once we have done that, this will be saved on the Photos app. Then of course you can add it through the Music app. The next app for the video is called PH. It allows you to hide or lock apps on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple to use. You go into the app, you will have two options here, to lock and to hide apps. If we go here, we can tap to select. we can just go ahead and choose the apps we want to hide. Let's hide Instagram. There we have it. Let's go back into the app. So it actually requires you to recognize with Face ID or the passcode that you set. So of course, no one will be able to actually go into the app and then unlock your app. So once you have done that, you will be able to actually hide that app. So you can see if we go back here, Instagram is gone. This is really cool. Now what this app offers is also the ability to hide maybe your photos or hide even your documents. So it's pretty useful. So if we go here, we will have your photos. You can go ahead and add here any photos or videos that you have on your files or on your camera roll, and then right here we'll also have a private browser which lets you browse the internet right there privately. So it's pretty awesome. Now all the apps that you have hidden or you have locked, you can of course disable them, or you can edit this playlist to this list of apps here at any time you want. Next up is an app called Moments. Now Moments lets you turn your live photos or your live stickers into GIF files, and it's pretty cool. So all you have to do is of course tap on one of them, whichever one you want to load, and load the picture or the sticker. And once you have done that, you will be able to crop here. You can just choose any ratio you want here, and then you can also change the speed. Of course, you can make it faster or slower. You can add text, or you can even clip it, and it basically turns it into a GIF file. Once you have done that, simply tap the share button and save it here under your camera roll. Next up is an app called Scan and Copy. This app allows you to scan any document you want and copy the text from that document. You can even save it here in this app. So you can do that with iPhone, but this app has actually a dedicated section here called Documents, and all the documents that you have scanned will be saved right here. So it basically scans the document, even screenshots and anything you want. So you can see I have the document here, and then the text is right there. It shows you when it has been created, and I can copy this text anytime I want, so I don't have to rescan it anytime I need that text. So from here again, you will see here document. You can tap to scan just like this. It takes you to your camera, or you can just go ahead and load any document that you might have. You can even save these as a PDF file. You can save them under your Files app, which is really cool. And of course, you can always even share them directly from here. The next app for the video is called Days Left. Now, this will show you the days left until the events that you have on your calendar. So you basically allow access to your calendar, and you will see everything here. So the calendar, you will have the holidays, birthdays, work, everything that you have on your calendar will be right here. So you tap on one of them, you can add them to your favorites, and then you can even add them as a widget on your home screen. So you tap and hold the widget right there to actually go to the edit mode, and then you can choose any one of your favorite events and display them right here under your home screen. It also offers this bigger widget which will actually show you 4 of the most recent upcoming events you have on your calendar, which is actually pretty awesome. So you can see it even shows the same day with 2 events right there. So you can see on the 16th there are 2 events. It will show them right here. So it's pretty useful. Next up is Subbi. Now Subbi allows you to keep track of all the subscriptions that you have. Now of course nowadays we have a ton of subscriptions for everything, basically, like music, movies, anything nowadays is a subscription. You can just go ahead and track them from here. So you tap the plus button to add any of your subscriptions. You will have some presets right here. You will of course also have the ability to add your custom ones, and then you can see your week here, your expenses for the week, for the year, and also for the month. So of course it will add up all your subscriptions, so you know how much you're paying a week for all of your combined subscriptions. Then right here you will have your subscriptions where you can manage them. You will have a calendar here where it shows you when you have to pay for your subscription, and then of course you can change the appearance of the app from the settings. And last but not least is a simple yet very cool app. This app allows you to set a notification for your iPhone's charge. So you can choose at what percentage of charge you want to get the notification. You can tap on set alarm right there, and this app will give you an alarm once your battery has reached that percentage that you simply choose here with this slider. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you did. Of course, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.